Today the topic of our discussion is pregnancy. You might have noticed many times, despite of husband and wife being medically normal, they are facing a difficulty in conceiving. In such cases, you should keep in mind that only physical involvement is not necessary. Also, the mental involvement or mental synchronization of both of them is inevitable. Just assume that the husband's intensity or frequency of thoughts in his mind is in this fashion, and the wife's frequency of thoughts in her mind is in this fashion. So, how can we harmonize both of them? There is a simple method. They just have to play a song and sing along with this song. What happens by this? The husband's mental frequency gets accommodated with the song, and similarly the wife's frequency also gets accommodated with the song. Both frequencies are now similar and harmonized with each other. Being similar, there is an energy exchange that takes place between both of them. This is the first important thing. The second important thing is that the female's ovum just contracts and takes the sperm within itself to get fertilized. Now, for this sperm to contract and take within itself, the ovum requires the contraction energy. This contraction energy is inevitable for fertilization. But nowadays, in the world of stress, in the world of struggle, many females are such that they have to go out for work, struggle for their existence. Even the spicy diets that are carried out nowadays also enhance the expansive energy within the females. Expansion is necessary, but the over expansion that is present into such females does not allow the ovum to contract the sperm into itself. So, what is the remedy for this? How can we enhance the contraction energy into the ovum? Now we shall learn the remedy for this. Friends, if you are aware about Sujok correspondence system, the correspondence system of Muladhara Chakra is over here between the middle finger and the ring finger. So, based on tri-origin consciousness, you have to touch the Muladhara Chakra with the tip of your thumb. Keep the remaining fingers in a relaxed posture. Keep the hands in the relaxed posture. And for husband or for the male, what is the mantra for this? But while uttering the mantra A, the mouth should be wide open, and while uttering the mantra A, there should be a smile on the face. Similarly, for wife, the mudra will be the same, but the mantra that should be uttered will be O, where while uttering the mantra O, the mouth should be contracted, and while uttering the mantra A, the mouth should have a smiling posture. This mudra mantra therapy is to be carried out by both twice a day, 3 minutes per time. Okay, this is the mudra mantra that is designed based on tri-origin consciousness. Now, based on Sujok consciousness, the same Muladhara Chakra that we have addressed over here has to be colored with dark green color. This color therapy has to be done to the male and the female at the same time during the day. This should be kept for 4 hours before washing it and removing it out. This color therapy has to be carried out for 15 days. Then you have to give a gap of 10 days and again repeat it for 15 days. So friends, this color therapy, this mudra mantra are some techniques based on Sujok and 6 key consciousness. Based on the 6 key consciousness, if you are aware of this treatment, then in case of the females, A hotness sedation and coldness tonification is a good treatment. Along with it, for the male, that is for the husband, hotness tonification and wind tonification is a good idea. If both are treated in this fashion based on Sujok and Traverging consciousness, then friends, this is guaranteed that you will soon be a witness of their happiness.